Hello there. So let's fix this Minecraft connection time error. First thing we're going to do right now is going to be enabling command prompt. This one right here. Now make sure if you run this one, you should run it as an administrator. Let me just open it right now. Now this is how it should look like. So the code here would be on my notepad. Let me just zoom it in. Perfect. First thing is going to be this one. Net sh winsock reset. That would be again net sh space winsock space reset. Now once you enter this one, you should enter the next code. That would be ipconfig. The next one, ipconfig right there. Space dash, that would be flash DNS. Now enter, that'd be good to go. Next up, in here let me just remove this one. On your Windows tab again, type in reset. That would be network reset. Alright? So in here, just click on reset now, and your PC will be restarted. Your network also will be restarted. The third method, type in firewall, like so. In here, there will be a lot of results there. Choose the one that doesn't have the advanced security. Just a plain and simple Windows Defender firewall. Open it up, click on the allow app or feature, like so. In here, click on change setting. Wait for it to pop up for your security and for your setting options. Just wait for it. And in here, allow another app. Now choose the browse option. Just select the Minecraft launcher, and that should do it. Now, for example, everything has been done and the problem still persists. Just check the network settings of the same Minecraft servers. Maybe they're down at the same time. And that should do it.